Alright traders, Sean Kozak here checking in again with NSTA, and you know what time it is. We create winning traders. In today's trade room recap, it was really all about the volatility. The last 2 days in the financial markets have been very fast. And in conditions like that, normally you don't want to be trading too many reversals. I actually took a couple stop outs in the room today. I took a little bit of a loss, and then I was able to make some of that money back and pretty much just break even with a little bit in the positive realm. So today was a positive day for me, but nothing really to write home about. And ultimately the goal for today was to teach all of the traders when to understand the conditions so that we trade directional strategies in volatile markets, and in slower markets with a bit better conditions we can trade reversals, right? So if you're new to trading, click subscribe, turn the notification bell on, ask a question, leave a comment, sign up for a guest pass. Let's jump onto the charts and show you the scanners, because we have an upcoming webinar that's going to be teaching all of this in detail, and I hope to see you there. Talk to you soon, traders. Let's go take a look at the markets. All right, traders, we're going to keep today very quick and short and sweet. The recap for me, I ended up just a little bit over flush. I took 2 stop outs in the markets this morning, and then I ended up trading a little bit larger size for a bigger position on the ES, and I was able to make my loss back and essentially take a profit for the day. I'm going to be done trading for the rest of the day, but for the most part, it was a really great conditional morning for us to be able to teach the difference between reversal environments and directional environments. So one of the things I want to do is I want to show you a volatility scanner. And we're going to be doing a webinar next week on this. We're going to be launching this. Ultimately, the goal here is to teach traders when they should be looking at reversal trading versus when they should be looking at directional momentum or trend trading. And normally we want to be trading directional strategies, whether it be a trend or whether it be momentum breaking structure, right? You get a momentum break right through the upside. We want to be trading that in high volatility conditions. And the reason this is important is because the market is favoring those types of follow-through trades. And I'm going to give you an example. The YM was one of the biggest markets today for extreme volatility. Let's go into the YM and take a look at it. And you can see all of the directional momentum trades that are working right now, and there's a reason for that. Let me just kind of chalk them off. Even though these ones worked, I'm going to not include them because those are ultimately going into the news announcement. This was about 20 minutes after the news. So there's 1, 2, 3. This would have been a stop out, so 4, and I'm going to put an S here, okay, because that was a loss. This was 5, which is a win. 6, 7, 8, okay, and I'm going to chalk 8 and 9 as stop and stops because these were stops. Now these are scalp trades, guys, so remember there's going to be more of them during the day, and then 10 trades, okay? So out of 10 trades today, 7 of them were winners and 3 of them were losers, okay? Why am I looking at the YM? Well, even though I may not have traded it, our systems are producing signals on these markets, and it's impossible to trade every single market under the sun, guys. We cover a lot in the trading room. My job is to teach you and how to understand looking at the best markets, the best conditions, and then when you're trading in and out of the trade room, you can participate. Now, I could look at some of the other markets like you can see here the ZN, which is a bond market, or the NQ and the ES, but really the YM had the most volatility, so this is a market that ultimately was really great for trading. The ES, I ended up taking a short on the ES, which is what made my I made my losses back today in the trading room, and I ended up taking this short. I had to sit through a little bit of heat before I took the target, and to be honest with you, it was more of an aggressive trade. And normally traders, I wouldn't encourage trading the ES when you could trade the YM. The YM has more volatility, but you can see that ultimately there was a lot of really great setups on this market. We normally teach reversals, but today's conditions were not meant for reversals. So if you're looking to trade multiple strategies and you're interested in learning how to do that, our trade room will teach that to you. And all you got to do is click the link below, subscribe, leave a comment, get social with us, turn the notification bell on, sign up for a guest pass, and I'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning for another trade room session. Take care, traders, and happy trading.